What's up? It's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing another bomb.com crochet hairstyle. So as you guys know, it is springtime. We're about to get ready for the summer. And for this time of the year, I like to protect my hair. Plus, your girl is trying to grow her hair out. So I love doing protective styles with crochet braids because they are always super cute, super quick, super easy. And it's like, there's never a miss. Like, I feel like my crochet styles be so nice. Anyways, so whenever I do my crochet hairstyle, y'all already know I have to go with Trendy Tresses because they never miss. Their hair is such good quality, it lasts long, and it looks good. So the hair that I'm using in today's video, y'all, is their Nubian curls. This is in 16 inches and it is the number 2. And y'all, the hair is so soft. I only use 1 pack of hair on the back section of my hair. Y'all, a little bit goes a long way, so I'm absolutely in love with it. So if you guys are interested in this hair, definitely check my description box down below so that you guys can get all the details. And if you guys would like to see how I got this look, definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm about to get started with my hair. So I decided that I wanted to do like a really nice spring hairstyle. This hairstyle has been trending for like the past year, so I definitely wanted to try this hairstyle again. So I will be braiding the top half of my hair and then the back will be crochet. Y'all, I cannot wait to do this style. So I'll be using Trendy Tresses hair. Of course, you know I'll be using Trendy Tresses. They are top notch for crochet hair, okay? And this is in the number 2. This is Nubian curls, 16 inches, okay? All right, y'all, let's get right into it. Let's get started. So first things first, I have to part my hair. So I'm gonna part my hair from ear to ear. I actually blow dried my hair this time since I was going to be braiding it. Usually when I do like crochet styles, I don't blow dry. I just let it air dry. But this time around, I did blow dry it. So I'm gonna do big braids, y'all. I think I'm gonna do 6 big braids, and that will be all. Alright guys, so you all know the drill. I'm just going to take the crochet needle and I'm going to pull it through. So I'm going to split these, you guys. I think I'm going to split it in maybe 4 pieces. And then I'm just going to do a double loop. Easy peasy. I'm not going to put them very close to one another because it's just so much volume. Once you separate the hair, there's no need to keep them close. Alright guys, so the back is done. I am loving it so far. And then I usually use Shine & Jam for my parts, but I don't have that right now. Well, I have it, but I can't find it. So I'm gonna go in with the Even 24-Hour Edge Tamer. This one, I love this stuff. I'm gonna put a little bit on my part.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Alright guys, so I am almost done. As you guys can see, I have this little section left and I am about to split it in half, okay? So I just have 2 more braids to go. Yeah, let me give you guys a close-up to show you guys how it looks so far. Very neat. I like it. So yeah, let's get into it.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out.
So I'm just going back in. I feel like I can add a few more crochet pieces up top just so it could look fuller and there's no like spaces and things like that. So that's what I'm doing right now.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, definitely be sure to give your girl a thumbs up. Also, check my description box if you guys are interested in getting this hair. All the links are down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!